Reliance Industries, the big boy, comes out with numbers. Alok Deshpande, analyst at Elara Capital, joins us right now on the show to speak about that. Good having you, Alok, and thanks so much for waiting by patiently. So what's the call really? I mean, I've been hearing commentary from market experts over the last 2 or 3 days, and they've been saying that with SR coming out with the kind of GRM numbers that they did, it's factored in that Reliance GRMs will be good, the earnings will be positive. You think all of that is factored in already?
Yeah, it looks like from the stock movement in the last 2-3 days that the stock has factored in GRMs of more than $9 in fact. But if you see the street consensus numbers, you will see that most people are taking GRMs of close to $8.50. Even our numbers are close to $8.50. But it's just that a couple of days when the results came out for SR Oil, that really led to a slight re-rating in RIL's number, which if the numbers come out maybe more than 5,000 crores in the PAT level, I think the stock has already factored that in.
So, what's the call in terms of for someone who's actually held the stock, Alok, and has made that 17% gain from the start of the year? Is it time to now book out then?
Probably in the short term, yes, but we remain bullish on the stock. Considering the 2-3 large projects that it is working on. The petcoke regasification project is something which can add significantly to earnings in FY15 and FY16. You have petchem capacity which is going up by nearly 70%. That should start reflecting somewhere close to FY14 and FY15. So these are some of the earnings drivers that can start coming by the end of FY14 and FY15, of course. So in the short term, yes, there is a case for some profit booking, but we remain bullish from a medium and long term point of view.
What about the space as a whole? I mean, all that's happened. I mean, and not Reliance, aside of Reliance Industries, we've discussed OMCs to death. KN India is the other one. I don't know how closely you track that one, but there is apparently a meeting today which will lay out the schedule of the increased productivity. They'll take a decision on that and probably give it a schedule too. What's the call on KN India?
I think our fair value for the KN India reserves today stands at somewhere close to 375, 380. Having said that about the meeting today, I think if the result of the meeting is that there is a quick, solution to taking the production up from say 175 to 2 lakh barrels per day, I think it will be a big positive for the stock, and I think that's the reason why there was an overhang on the stock for the past maybe 3 or 4 months. It was not able to break out of 345, 350 levels. It was very range bound between 320 to 350, and this was probably the only overhang, the lack of ramp up. So what happens today is also critical in a way.